Aloha, everybody. Thank you for being with us tonight. We begin with the latest state COVID-19 case count, which topped 200 today for the first time since September the 4th. 204 new cases, 180 of them coming on Oahu, 13 on the Big Island, and 11 on Maui. The statewide total is now 20,217. Also, one more person with COVID-19 in Hawaii has died, raising the death total to 282. We're told a substantial number of Oahu's case count today is connected to the Halawa Correctional Facility, prompting the Honolulu mayor to reach out to the governor again to see if they can take infected prisoners out of the city's case count. Sarah Madison joins us with our top story.
Once again, Oahu is seeing triple digits. 180 new cases were reported on Sunday. Mayor Kurt Caldwell says the last time we saw a similar spike was in September and triggered the island to shut down.
We've been told, but it hasn't been confirmed by Department of Health, that 93 of those cases are from prisoners at Halawa. 93.
This comes as the city waits for a decision from up top. Mayor Caldwell says he's asked the governor to take prisoners out of their case count more than a week ago and again on Sunday.
And so far there hasn't been a big impact on our healthcare system. So to leave them in and then shut down the entire island of Oahu, to go back to Tier 1 with hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars in economic damage, is it something we want to do?
Lieutenant Governor Josh Green tells us he will respect what the mayor and governor decide, but says you have to be thoughtful about how to address the inmates.
There is some merit to that recommendation because the prisoners themselves will not spread the virus to the community. However, there is a component of concern, which is as prisoners have become infected, they have underlying health conditions and a fair number have gone to the hospital.
Mayor Caldwell says he understands the concern and risk.
I'd have to say that if we saw our healthcare system being strained by the prisoner population, then we would have to reconsider and perhaps add them back in if they were taken out.
While Green says a substantial number of Sunday's cases are connected to Halawa, he's convinced that events like Christmas parties have also caused some increase, giving an example of a barbecue gathering that caused 19 cases.
We're hearing about a lot of office parties, actually, although almost every family has an invitation one way or another to a small gathering.
Officials are urging the public to be careful this holiday season because, as Green says, the more gatherings we have, the bigger the surge will be.
And if we can be really good about Christmas and New Year's, we're going to be in a great spot through January and February.
Sarah Madison, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.